All right, guys. Uh, this project consists of basically building two circuit board or PCB, and the size is going to be approximately about 30 millimeters times 40 millimeters. The thickness of the PC board could be 1 millimeter standard, or anything else that you think it would be standard. Now, this PC board is going to have like 4 LEDs that they are going to be turning on and off based on continuity on these connectors here. As you can see, there is 4 of them, right? And each one of them will control one of these LED right here. That would be 24 volt DC going into the LED, while on the other side, this other connector is going to bring power from the power supply, and it's going to be 0 volt. So we got 4 cables, this color black, and there are 4 of them. From the power supply, we're going to be bringing 0 volt through these cables, and they are going to be feeding one leg of the LED with 0 volt. This other cable, the red one, is going to be bringing 24 volt from the power supply, and it's not going directly into the LED. Instead, it is going to these connectors here, this one here, and this one over here, 2 of them. And those connectors are going to be, a cable is going to be routed or embedded through this over here, this nest. So if we see right here, this cable, the red one, is going through this little hole right here and into this connector here. This is a DuPont style connector that it is embedded into this nest. Now, in order for this system to conduct electricity, we have to create a path to 24 volt, and this is where this device comes up. This is made of stainless steel, and receiving the 24 volt, which is the missing leg of the LED right here. So when the operator slides the cable in and out, those cables directly make contact with this connector right over here. As you can see, I'm moving it. As I move it forward, it's going to end right over there, touching this connector, and therefore having the circuit be completed with 24 volt being provided to the other leg of the LEDs. So this is basically what we need to make. We are planning to build 2 prototypes, and you should be responsible for making the Eagle files, or you can use any other software to build your PCB schematics. But the Gerber file for routing, doing the actual drilling and routing, you could submit those 2 at the end of the project. We do not need them right now. What we do need is for you to contract the building of 2 prototypes like this one here, as shown right on this picture. So what we're gonna do is provide you with drawings, and those drawings could be of file type, these file types right here. I only got 4 of them: IGS, SAT, SMT file, or step files. Those are the only 4 files that I have that I could export this drawing to, so you can use them in whatever software you decide to use. So send me any questions that you have, and let me know if this is a doable project, how much is it going to cost, and how long is it going to take. Thank you.